Damn, bro, that's crazy. uh, that's only about 225, right?
Like three. Might be like three.
Yeah, we trying to dig out of this mess here, man. Look at everybody trying to dig out.
I ain't gonna lie, yesterday I had to quit. I needed a smoke break. And after that, one smoke break turned into another smoke break. It was a good day off. But we gotta get the fuck out now. Time to dig this shit up. I've been reading all the comments yesterday. At least I'm trying. All y'all snow experts out there. Oh, get the snow blower, 10,000. Oh, you got all this money. You're gonna hurt yourself. Oh, that's just bullshit. Oh, let me work with my bullshit. You heard? And like I said, it's the best $200 I spent in a long time during a snowstorm. You heard? You dig? And I'm gonna double down on that. And people saying it doesn't take all the. You gotta cut it like you getting a haircut, like a nigga getting a blowout, pause. You gotta cut a layer off the top, pause, and then you hit the bottom, bow, bow, bow. Y'all lazy?
And where do we live?
In Texas.
Central Texas.
I'm running niggas down in they grooves. I'm sliding over cars while I shoot.
You're just.
Petty ass neighbors.
You see this right here? This is an example of somebody that's not prepared. They knew it was a snow, a crazy blizzard that's coming, and they want to have a broom to shovel the snow out their car. Like, you couldn't ask your auntie or uncle? Like, this shit crazy. It's really.
Why don't you come fucking help me, man? The fuck, bro?
All right.
Texas, I don't know how to drive in this, and I'm on a mountain. I'm gonna die.
A few moments later.
Snowstorm 2026, a few tips for you. Number one, shovel early, shovel often. get less strain on your back and heart if you shovel lighter loads more repetitiously. Number 2, when you're shoveling, use the plow method as much as you can. Take up as much area. Then you're going to lift with your legs, not your back. You have a couple options. You could do kind of like a lunge method where you bend one leg, or you could bend both knees, lift with your legs, not with your back, and throw. Good luck out there.
Oh, what do we have here? We got a satisfying snow shoveling. I thought that was...
So I'm beefing with all these social media platforms. So I saw on one of these platforms how they put the tarp down, they caught all the snow, and they always showed it in a fast pace situation where I thought this thing was going to be easy. So I said, I'm going to try it. So I got out here. I'm out here working hard. I put the tarp down last night. The snow was easy. So this morning, I got to deal with the ice. And this ice a little bit heavy. They should put a disclaimer out on this situation here, because if you a little older, a little out of shape, yeah, I'm almost 57 years old. This wasn't for me. I didn't think this out at all. But now that I started it, I got to keep it going. So here I am, realizing these piles of ice are too heavy, so I got to take pieces, blocks of ice out of each one to figure out, how I'm going to pull it to the side. And I'm struggling. I got to take breaks. So now I done pulled out this white latch.
It's the perfect texture for running. Very low impact when it's dry snow so your feet don't get wet.
All right, thanks. We've seen a lot of people out here, like you said, running, sledding, just enjoying it. One thing, oops, that can happen, unfortunately. Looks like Chelsea's okay. You okay? Yes, okay.
Get it. Get it!
I don't know what this person did to deserve this, but they did something.
Stop playing with people. Do people right. Be a good person, and that won't happen to you.
Josh, this is the perfect time to start your car because when the exhaust fumes will go into a cabin and you will die. So make sure to start your car, don't clear up the exhaust. Go ahead and get in there, close the door, and let it happen.
You wake up with snow in the driveway. This is Canada. So I win about we.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush it through.
smartest man in the world.
This icy horse, both foul and fair, has a rose and harbor wine.
Yeah, my job is on some regular work hours tomorrow. And this would look like in Dallas, Texas. You think I'm gonna be on the same highway with these folks? No.
I give a fuck about what you say? Stay the fuck off my page, bitch.
I'm running niggas down in they groups. I'm sliding over cars while I shoot. I think that I'm Tom Cruise, but bitch I'm Bobby with that tool. Running niggas down in they groups. I'm sliding over cars while I shoot.
I'm showing my way to do that job. I'll be there in 5 minutes. Don't worry. I'll be there.
What the hell going on? Let me see if I can help you out, man. This shit crazy. We got the police out here and everything. Let me help you out. You got that wheel turned the wrong way. Man, how the hell you do this? Right coming through, watch out, baby. Come on, man. Do what I do, man. Come on, man. Now come here, let me give you the speech. Now all that driving fast, slow your ass down, okay? Okay? I don't give a damn, slow your asses down, okay? Go slower than that, okay? It's in 4-wheel drive, let me show you how to work. Yeah, don't get in the car, little girl. Put your hood on your head too, girl. It's cold as hell out here. Get in the car, girl. Go ahead, hurry up, go ahead, get in the car. Go ahead, girl. God damn it.
Look at this. Perfect. Oh my God. Isn't it great? Yes. I know, it's my dream.
Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely.
Weatherman says, snowstorm coming. Everybody goes to the stores freaking out to prepare. Everybody gonna go get snow shovels. Everybody gonna go get salt. Everybody buying eggs, chicken, rice, thermals, the whole nine. Word of God says that Christ is coming back though. Y'all still got that same sense of urgency? Y'all still preparing the same way? Or do you take the word of man more seriously than the word of God? That's all I gotta say about that.
I'm running niggas down in they groups. I'm sliding over cars while I shoot. I think that I'm Tom Cruise. But bitch, I'm Bobby with that tool. Niggas down in they groups. I'm sliding over cars while I shoot. I think that I'm Tom Cruise. But bitch, I'm Bobby with that tool.
Oh shit, damn, it's cold as hell. Getting out the whip, tripped on some ice and I fucking fell. Ain't nobody help, but they was laughing, that shit cold as hell. I ain't had my car warm up, my windows froze as hell. Yeah, but I'm still gonna drive it though. Wait, you said we getting 6 inches? That's a lot of snow. Fuck this, I'm finna go to Cali. Shit, it's time to go.
I was 15 years old when I found out that you're supposed to remove that little cardboard thing from your salt shaker and it becomes a salt shaker itself. You don't have to open it no more. It's just gonna pour like this all evenly. Did you know?
You can't make this up. They keep allowing us in. We're never getting out of here. Ever.
Niggas out here snitching, they with the rat pack. Hit them with the chopper, that's the rat trap. Find them in that trash bag off the interstate.
Gotta chill, yo.
Is also gloriously fun.
What a legend.
Look like this, just go ahead the fuck back in the house. Just go in the house. Ain't no need for you to be outside today. If I can't drive, you bitches can't drive. Happy snow day, motherfuckers. We tearing this shit up. Allegheny don't need to go nowhere. Go in the fucking house. Go in the house. Go in the house.
Chocolate cause it's a snow day, and you don't have to do your homework, it's a snow day. You can find me in the tub, coffee in my mug, Mama Nature's dropping snow, and your school is staying shut. If you're into wearing sweats and you're into wearing Uggs, come get real snug cause nothing's opening up. When you pull the shades up, there's some snow on your shrub. When I say a couple feet will pile up. When I say it's a snow day, all the students show me love, even teachers on the low are like, hey, thank you bro, look homie, the season changed.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it $1. I've been in America for hella long. I never seen snow. It look like salt. Like it's just like little fruity, little ice. This is not snow, guys. Like you telling me y'all niggas seen the bolitas though? Clean that shit right off. Like, how the fuck you just clean snow like that?
The whiteout has already started in Detroit. I did not know this was about to happen.
Reporting live from Greenbelt. Even the police is stuck. Everybody, fuck it. y'all stuff.
All right, go ahead and scrape his window.
Daddy, we're gonna see if there's like a bunch of ice on it. Daddy, I think I broke your window. Here.
Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Stay. Let me get it, papi.
I'm running niggas down in they groups. I'm sliding over cars while I shoot. They think that I'm Tom Cruise, but bitch I'm Bobby with that tool.
In my motherfucking face. It's snowing outside, motherfuckers. You hear me? Where the fuck the wire is at? Cause I'm not shoveling this shit. You hear me? I'm tired of shoveling. I'm too old for this shit. Where the wire is at? You heard? Put that shit down and put this shit up. You hear me? Because I'm tired of this shit, alright? I'm not shoveling no more.
It's 23 inches.
I didn't realize you guys had that. Okay, you has a good phone.
¿Cómo está esto, gente? Sigue nevando, mi gente. Extraño el verano. Están locos, pero se ve brutal.
without trying game.